In this video, we're going to learn about what is the mode. So if you have a problem like this that says, what is the mode? And you have a list of numbers, you just have to figure out what the mode is for the list of numbers. And the mode is the number that appears most often. So just remember, the mode is the number that appears most often. So first, what you have to do is arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we've done that. We've taken the 2 3s and we put them here because they're the least. Then 4 comes next, and then the 3 8s. So here 3 appears 2 times, 4 appears 1 time, and 8 appears 3 times. So 8 appears the most times. So that means the mode equals 8. And that's the answer. And that's how you find the mode in a problem like this. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Practice makes improvement.